We are Team CEE 26.5.
We are working with Skagit County Parks and Recreation and Skagit Fisheries Enhancement Group to restore fish passage along Gribble Creek. Gribble Creek is a tributary of Skagit River and serves as an important habitat for various salmon and trout.
This culvert provides pedestrian crossing over the creek without blocking water. However, the culvert is steep and smooth, leading to fast and shallow water flow that fish cannot swim through to reach their native breeding grounds.
Skagit County plans to incorporate the site into the WDFW Big Rock Park, a nearby hiking trail. They would like to remove the culvert while still maintaining pedestrian crossing. Our team has spent the last year surveying the site and recording information on the stream.
We then developed a preliminary design for a bridge to replace the culvert. This bridge will help restore the stream to natural conditions and allow fish to return to their native habitats. Want to see how we designed this bridge?
Come find out at Project Day.